I come up with new topic that is Git Fetch and Git Pull. We'll cover these things: Git Fetch, Git Pull, and practical way diagrammatic representation. Let's see the diagrammatic representation now. So here, usual linear fashion, it is like this way. Whenever you add some new file, it's our working directory, and if you git add dot, it will go to staging area, and if you give git commit, it will update to your local repo. Okay, then if you give git push, it will update to your remote repo. So here what you have to notice, here it is, these three, whatever these three are there, this is related to git only, and whatever here it is there, this is related to remote repo. So what is our topic is, if some guy or some colleague from your team has did some changes to same file, then what should you do is you'll do the usually git pull. So that concept we'll explain today. What is fetch? Git fetch will fetch the latest changes and updates from the remote repository and store them, but not merge them into the current branch. Okay. I- That means git fetch, if you give a git fetch command, it will update to your local repo only. It not come into the your working directory. It won't come to your working directory. But if you give git pull, it will download to local repo plus update to your working directory. This is main difference. First thing is it will update your local repo only, but not download to your working directory. It will update to your local repo, but it not come to your working directory. But if you give git pull command, it will create local repo plus download into the your working directory. Let's explain in the practical manner. So here I am taking one GitHub repo, that is project 2. It contains a sample Jenkins file. Okay, let me clone this into the my local repo. Here nothing is there, always free. If I git bash here, I'm giving git init commit. So it will make it by using this command, it will become a working directory. Then what should I do is, let me clone this repo. So here we have this uh, project we clone, and go into the project 2. So what is our concept is, someone from your team updated the repo, GitHub repo. So we are doing the same thing here. Let's go into this file, edit it. Just I'm adding two lines like fetch. I added fetch here. We're committing the changes. That means someone from your team has updated the same file. Okay. At the time, if you do the git fetch, initially if you do git status, nothing is already up to date. So if I give git fetch command, so it fetches here, but if I open that file, let me go into project 2 and updated Jenkins file. Is there any changes we got? We edited here, but using git fetch, it will update to your local repo only. It will update to your local repo. It won't come into the your working directory. That's why no changes here we cannot see. So if you want that commands, if you want that change, you have to give git match. We go into the notepad here, and if you give yes, where it is. Here changes came, right? That means Git fetch will update your local repo, and git merge again by using this command it will update your working directory. So simply I can say git pull is a command. Git pull is a command. Just fetch plus merge. That's it. That will also I'll show in practical manner. So git whatever the point got now. Pull equal to fetch plus merge. So let's see directly pull this time. Again, I'm editing the same file. Let me add another line here. So someone has done some changes. Match. Commit the changes then. So we have merge only. Now if I give git pull, done. Go into notepad, go into that file. Here asking, let's see. So it's directly updated your working directory also, downloading to the working directory also. Here this one, you need to understand the flow is very important. From GitHub, if you give git fetch, it will update your local repo, but it won't come into the your working directory. But in case of git pull, it will update your local repository as well as it will download to working directory. I hope you guys got a good idea. Thank you guys.